you think in Saruma, assuming we get the land, I just don't know what's happening. I think we've got 900 square meters.
Yeah.
That's big enough. See, this is all for sale as well on this side. 14,000 square meters. It's smaller on this side, but look how massive it is. What would you build on all that? What you making?
Ano the big banana chocolate cake.
Banana chocolate
Cake.
cake. Where's the banana?
Where?
So you're making banana with cake with no banana?
The flavor is chocolate.
Is that the surprise?
Yeah.
It should be chocolate banana cake surprise, and the surprise is there's no banana in it. Is that one she's already made?
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
No, I don't want that one. It's been in your mouth. No, you don't know where your mouth's been. No, thank you. No.
Just wow.
No, shove it.
I will go.
Will you? Alright. I like it. I like the other one she made. That's disgusting. Somebody else is going to have to eat off that spoon now, and you've had it in your mouth. I've had it in my mouth. It's awful.
It's nice.
Yeah. So do you remember, guys, this is where we used to live. Yeah. And then as soon as it wasn't a building site anymore, the family wants to move into it. So when there's a party, we're normally here. Oh, that was a big butterfly, wasn't it? So they're using that next door. You see, the plan was with this was to build another floor on it, and then when that floor was built, another floor. But of course they run out of money, and his wife left him, and he tried to sell this a while ago and he couldn't sell it. I wonder why. Is he? Oh, right. So he'll be renting it out then now. So there's an adult swimming pool there. Adults are lying in the swimming pool.
Because it's very hot, we can't able to go to beach.
I'd love to see this beach you're on about. Yeah, we'll not look in the bedrooms. They're a bit messy and very dark. So, the other morning, guys, I know you'll not believe this, but I got up and my neck was absolutely killing me. So while I was asleep, I'd done something to my neck. I know that's hard to believe because hardly seems a day go by and there's not something wrong with me.
There's a hammock here. Hammock?
Oh, you got to be kidding me. Pigeons now. Do you know, it's like he's got to have... This is a brother, Chalk.
If my mom saw that, she's gonna be mad.
Well, she must know it's there, Mal.
She knows.
So how can you have any parties up here when they've got birds up here now? And look at all the crap. It's not been cleaned out. Now, every dog he's had has died because he doesn't look after it. He just leaves it in a cage all day.
It's good here to play the sarangola kite. Because there's no wire.
Well, I don't know how that's flying because there's no wind, is there? See, they're burning the fields off over there. All the dry grass and what have you. It's lovely. When there's a nice breeze, which there isn't today. You see, if this was my upstairs, it'd be all painted, it'd be clean, you know, no clutter. I mean,
Do you know this tree?
you are, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the what's the name fruit? It's the
Dragon.
dragon fruit. I love dragon fruit. Have you ever had dragon fruit, guys? It's very nice. You've had some. You've had a taste.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
But you'll not eat fruit and stuff, will you? You just want your thinking rice, everything that's going to kill you. So, guys,
Ooh,
is that new, Mel, over there? That house, look.
I think so.
It looks new.
Yeah.
The airports aren't going to get up and running anytime soon. I keep looking at what's coming in and out of Manila, and there isn't a lot. There's many flights a day, but the majority gets cancelled.
I heard something that the jeep or bus, I think, they allowed not to travel. Like outside Naga, like Sipocot, Tibmana, something like that.
But
They
not
had-
Manila.
I did not hear about Manila. I did not hear anything about Manila. It's only outside the Naga. They allowed not to go out. But the price is increased, I think.
Oh, it will do, because it'll probably be one person to one seat.
Jeep once just one.
Oh,
Maybe, but it's not gonna be crowded.
I'm on about the buses, Mel. Not the
I
jeeps.
did not hear anything about
Because the jeeps have a platform seat, so just one on a seat, he's not going to make a lot of money, is he?
Yeah.
I'm very disappointed with up here and the rest of the house. But the bungalow, if we can get the bungalow built in Saruma, it'll be beautiful.
Yeah.
Because what we're going to do is ask Rena, who's the owner of the resort, if we can have a copy of the plans that she did her bungalow with. The only thing we'll do different is we want a cellar underneath where you can put the food and stuff and it stays cool.
Basement.
Cellar, basement, it's the same thing.
Whatever.
I don't know, why let your way would talk to me like that.
Why? What I'm talking to you?
How
You said I'm gonna loud.
you said you're gonna loud?
I'm gonna shout.
Really? When does that start?
It's only now.
You only normally shout at me when you're mad at me.
I'm not shouting out to you. You have difference to your ears, right? That's what I'm just shouting at you.
I have different to my ears, right?
You have difference.
This is a new English I don't understand.
Difference.
So, we've got pigeons.
I mean, you have something wrong to your ears.
What?
What?
Yeah. So, oh, there's a rabbit as well. Is that a rabbit?
No.
Oh no, it's not. It's looked like a rabbit. Had its head in its thing. So I guess if they run out of food, pigeon will be on the menu.
Underneath.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm very disappointed with how up here is, Mal. You can't have tables and eat food round pigeons, and can you?
It's not our business, right?
No, it's not my business. I'm just saying. I'm disappointed. It's not for me to be disappointed, but I am disappointed. See, this is new here, guys. This is not long since been built. There's another one over there, look. So there must be money coming into the Philippines because there's lots of building going on, and
Yeah.
not so much since the lockdown, but it's starting up again now. The lockdown's easing a bit. But you watch, round 2 will come and it'll all be locked down again. I'm not very optimistic, am I? Now, see, if we were in Saruma, all you'd see if you walked out our gate is behind us is the sea, which the sea's about, I don't know, go out the back wall, the sea's about 6 yards away from the back. And you've got to go down a hill though, because it's on like a cliff thing.
I'm very excited to stay there.
and then the other way is just, as far as the eye can see, is just fields. It's just amazing.
It looks like it's gonna be rain. Look, it's dark on that
Yeah, I
side.
know, I said that earlier on. So I hope you liked the video, guys. There isn't a lot to really tell you about anything because there's nothing really changing.
Yeah.
And it's very difficult to talk about something when you can't get out, you can't get information, you can't do much. So that's it, guys, that's the video.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our pages.
And instead of calling her Mel, she'll now be called the Queen Pixie.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi.